in my sleep, dog. And nigga, I said something like, I set this motherfucker off. Niggas thought did he say shut the fuck up?
Yeah, your shit cool. My shit don't do that shit. I'm pissed.
You know what I'm saying?
I gotta get a new phone.
What that nigga saying, Lees?
Niggas be trying to wrap up and leave. We trying to get their style on. What they ain't cold is my freestyle on. Cause I'm a homegrown, soul grown to the bone, dog. Strain on the one, dog. See what I do for this, what I do for my people is make them twist. Do like this, they do like that. They can tangle ray or they can do like that. They can lay on their back or they can get on the floor. This is what I am here for. To make the people just on the floor and dance. Make them shake their pants. I am the one with the gangster style, the NA style that you like to hear. I don't care. I can fly in the sky like a bird, my dear. I can float like a motherfucker, sting like a bee. I ain't call me the motherfucker Muhammad Ali. So, I'm not your box. I'm gonna make you laugh and jump out your socks because I'm here, I'm there, I'm everywhere.
And that nigga's 2 steps from the blizzard.
Fair.
Nigga.